This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is a Class B RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, refrigerator, external shower, smoke detector, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Solis 59PX is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.